Meaning of hereinafter.
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 Hereinafter. Hereinafter is an adverb that means from this point forward or after this time. It is often used in legal documents, contracts, and other formal writing to refer to a term, phrase, or individual that has been previously introduced. Essentially, it is a way of avoiding repetition while maintaining clarity. For example, in a contract, the term "the company" may be introduced initially and then referred to as hereinafter referred to as the company in the rest of the document. This saves space and ensures consistency in language throughout the document.